Okay, we still have 23% left in this battery, so we'll get this. This is Monday, the 18th of May, 2026, here in Darien, Georgia. Right here at the riverfront. We want to walk over and get some of the Tabby ruins. Looks like the tide is coming in. From my understanding, from what the girl says, our girl, she says that new bridge is coming right through here, 40 feet to the west, which makes sense because you've got these grade stakes in right here. Permanent easement. Permanent easement. Wonder if they're going to be taking some of this Tabby. $40 feet would stop back up there. Maybe they're not going to be messing with the Tabby. Making Tabby is a process, folks. I did drone work when they were getting that approved for renovation when it was condemned and they're set for demolition, and they saved it. I did the drone work for them. Now the Altamaha also has its own version of the Loch Ness Monster. It's called the Altamaha. And I think I saw it down here one day. Pretty sure that's what it was. Okay, well, let's wrap this one up and go get something to eat. We haven't had breakfast yet. We are hungry. What do y'all want to eat? Documenting George's